Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how I crochet this hat. It's made with the single crochet and chain stitches, so it's quite easy. The materials you need are 4 ounces of size 4 yarn, a 5mm hook, scissors, a yarn needle, marker, and measuring tape. We'll make a medium-sized adult hat. However, the size is easily adjustable. This pattern works with stitches in a multiple of 2 plus 1. I'm going to do 51 chains, or until I reach 13 inches. That allows for the depth of the hat plus 2.5 inches for the fold at the rim. If you would like your hat without the fold, then do 10 stitches less. I have completed 51 chains, and it's 13 inches long. By the way, your gauge may be affected by your yarn size, hook size, or how loose or tight your stitches are. So measure your chain to be sure 51 chains will make the length you want. If not, just add or reduce in multiples of 2 stitches. We'll start row 1, chain 1. This is for the height of the row. Now skip 1 stitch and place 1 single crochet into the next stitch. And this is the first single crochet of the row. Now work the next single crochet. We'll make a total of 41 single crochet stitches first, and then adjust the last 10 stitches just slightly. Let's mark that chain so we know where to switch. We'll count backward 10 chains and mark it. This is stitch number 41. For the next 10 stitches, we'll alternate between a single crochet and a chain stitch. We do this to reduce the thickness at the top of the hat, so that it will be less bulky. Chain 1 for stitch number 42. Skip 1 chain below, and work a single crochet into the next chain. Chain 1. Skip a chain, and work a single crochet in the next chain. Repeat the pattern until we complete the row. After the last stitch of the row, chain 1 and turn the work over. Now we'll start row 2. We'll chain 1 and skip the single crochet stitch below and work a single crochet in the back loop of the next stitch. Chain 1 again. Skip the stitch below and place a single crochet into the back loop of the next stitch. Continuing, we alternate between a single crochet, back loop only, and a chain 1 until the first 10 stitches are finished. Once you reach the marker, resume working only the single crochet for the rest of the row, working in the back loops only. Placing the stitch in the back loops is what gives the 3D rib pattern. Here you can see the rib pattern already. And this is the other side. By the way, there's no right side or wrong side for this pattern. After you make the last single crochet of the row, chain 1 and turn the work over. Now we'll start row 3, which is a repeat of row 1, except we work the stitches into the back loops. And row 4 is a repeat of row 2. Keep repeating rows 2 and 3 until reaching the desired width. I stopped after row 68 when the piece measured 15.5 inches wide. I end my work in the even number of rows so that the first and the last row match up when they are joined together. This rib design is quite stretchy. It will fit people with head circumferences of 20 to 21 inches. Measure out a strand that's at least 3 times the length of the head before cutting. Make a slip knot to fasten off. Next, we'll join the sides together using the whip stitch method. This is done with a yarn needle. Hold the two ends so that the stitches from each side are facing each other. Insert the needle into the back loop of the last stitch of the opposite side and pull it through. I double the stitch to make it sturdier. For the second stitch, insert the needle into the back loop of the stitch and thread it through the adjacent back loop stitch. Repeat until reaching the end. When you get to the last stitch, finish it off with a slip knot. Now, weave in all the loose ends. The seam is hardly noticeable. Here's the seam on the other side. Next, we'll close the top at the less bulky side. We'll do this with a yarn needle. Working from the outermost stitches, weave the yarn in and out of each row, covering the entire circle. Then pull both ends of the yarn until the circle is closed. Secure it with a couple of overhand knots. Our hat is finished. You can wear it as it is, or enhance it with a pom-pom at the top if you like. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more, I invite you to subscribe to this channel and check out my other videos. Bye for now.